They are assigned to human resources. I am directly responsible for all the designs. I am in charge of our working accommodations. What is going on? I am I am I am in charge of our working accommodations. Did you accomplish everything you needed to today? The exports consist principally of sugar, cotton, and rum. Becoming part of the team is a major commitment. The day before Thanksgiving, the manager assigned everyone their duties. Their duties. I don't need to tell you any further assistance required is offered by us. Us.